Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But very nice move today. Definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning. I was going to say I'm going to delete this line, but I'm just going to use this line for one of the newer areas of support. And that area is right up here at $4.60. And that's what I would call the ideal level. Before we go into for that any further, the one update though I do need to do is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 450, one of the newest areas of support, and I'll get to that level here in just a minute. But as far as ideal levels, that would be 460. Meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Certainly if the price can stay up above 460. With that being said though, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 460, I'm not saying that implies that the entire chart is epically destroyed or anything like that, because you would still have 450 down here as that next level of support. Now 450 is very, very important. I'm not going to talk, in detail about that. I just talked about that in Thursday's video. So you can always go back in the video archives and watch that if you want. But as of right now, given that the price isn't even close to 450, I don't want to spend any more time down there. So as far as supports are concerned, like I said, ideally, yeah, stay above 460. If not, then definitely stay above 450. What about levels of resistance? Well, the big battle that's taken shape to play out on Tuesday. Remember, the markets are closed on Monday for Memorial Day, but it's all about the purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, and you can see the price close just slightly below it. So that's going to be definitely an area that a lot of people are watching, so I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part. A lot of people are going to be watching that level, so we'll see how it plays out. And I also bring up the point that a lot of people are watching it, because when a lot of people are watching and wondering the same thing, call it self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some pretty interesting price dynamics, and that's what you could have right there. But overall, very nice recovery. Things were looking pretty shaky on Thursday, but the bulls are giving it a good go to try to get the chart back on track. So let's see how next week plays out. Everybody have a great Memorial Day weekend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.